Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our print job sample, how to make or set the number of copies, and this will be for FabriCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we'll head back into the program here. So now, like I mentioned, today's video we're going to be looking at making a number of copies or setting that option, and this will be for our print. So with our project open, I'm going to just quickly go to print, leave everything as is, and then we're going to go under the print. We've got the print report feature here on the top left. So it is the second icon, so I'm going to click that, and then when it opens the print settings, we've already covered the select printer and pretty much most of the rest. Now we're going to be looking at the number of copies. Now we've got two ways we can go about this. Obviously, let's say we set this to, we want 2 copies of everything. Then we've got this collate option, and then what it does basically, let's say you've got a number of pages, like the example here, 3 of them. Then what's going to do is it's going to print the entire copy first. So it's going to print page 1, page 2, page 3, and then only it's going to go to our second copy and print page 1, page 2, page 3. They'll use this a lot in, like, let's say a book format. So let's say you've got a story or something on that line, then you can copy or make first a print of the entire book, and then it'll redo it again afterwards. And obviously, depending on the number of copies, this is how many times it's gonna repeat that process. So if we switch off the collate here, we'll see now we've got a new layout. So now it's still gonna do 2 copies overall, but it's gonna print page 1 twice, page 2 twice, page 3 twice. So then these pages, pretty much in your printing stack at the end, it's going to be all grouped together. So all your first pages is going to be grouped, second pages, third pages. So that's pretty much the difference between this. So the general practice is just leaving it on default at collate, and then if you need the pages together though, each one, the first one, second ones, and third ones, then you will leave that off. But yeah, otherwise that is it on our actual printing or number of copies. So before we head on, if we go here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.